Kitty, kitty.
Jessica and Izzy, if you could please unpack these 2 boxes of cat food, that would be so helpful.
No problem, Sophie.
Also, we have 4 new kittens for adoption, so if anyone comes in, let them know.
I love kittens.
So do I.
Great, thank you. I'll be in the backyard if you need me.
Thanks, Sophie. How about if I unpack the cans of food and you put them on the shelves?
Let's do it. What's that sound?
I don't hear anything.
It sounded like a kitten.
Maybe you're imagining meowing kittens because we're stacking cans of cat food. The faster we go, the sooner we get to play with kittens.
Let's do it.
Now that we're done with stacking the cans, we get to play with the kittens. Wait, there were 4 kittens up for adoption in that poster.
1, 2, 3. There are only 3 kittens here.
Uh-oh, we have a problem. One of the kittens is missing.
Which one?
The orange one is missing. We need to find the orange kitten.
How?
It's coming from over there.
We found the kitten.
Yes, but we have a new problem. We're not tall enough to reach the kitten.
We have to get the kitten to come down.
I'm not sure how.
We could sing to it. Here, kitty, kitty, come on down. You're so itty bitty. Singing isn't working.
I have another idea. Here, kitty.
Maybe he's not hungry.
I wonder if it's because he doesn't know how to get down. Hey, what if we use these boxes to make a kitty staircase? If we use a big box on the bottom and smaller boxes on the top, then the kitten will have a way to get down.
A kitty staircase. Here, kitty, kitty.
Look, he's doing it.
You're an adventurous little kitten.